Pi Network, maintain a stable price of $25,000 on Atlantis Exchange for 3 days. Since being listed on the Atlantis Exchange, Picoin has maintained a steady surge for almost 3 days, hitting its peak of $70,000. However, the token drastically dropped by more than half to stand at $25,000, where it held its value for 3 days in a row. Before we dive deeper, kindly like this video and also subscribe to this channel, and also drop Pi Network to the moon at the comment section below. This we really go a long way to help grow this channel. With that, let's get starting. Recall that on New Year Day, January 1st, we reported that the token had a sharp increase on the Atlantis Exchange platform the same day it was listed and traded for $35,000, the highest price it has ever hit since being listed on exchanges, marking a 17,400% increase within 24 hours. Atlantis Exchange is one of the few recently developed creative and disruptive trading platforms that has been officially registered by both the United Nations and the U.S. Department of the Treasury. It was developed to systematically address the 5 issues facing the cryptocurrency sector. Its internal features are 8 unique, lacking in other Bitcoin exchanges. Such events will provide participants with excellent safeguards against various financial risks. All members can maximize their profits by working on Atlantis Exchange every day. From recent update, Picoin January base mining rate reduced by 1.27%. This January saw a 1.27% decrease in the base mining rate for the Pi network, bringing it down to 0.0139974. This is in compliance with the project's white paper's provisions. When Pi reached 100,000 users, its mining rate dropped from 1.6 to 0.8 per hour, then again to 0.4 and 0.2 per hour at 1 million and 10 million users, respectively. As the network reaches 1 billion users, the benefits will eventually zero out. Pi provides a fixed quantity of Pi for each participant in the network up to the first 100 million, as opposed to Bitcoin, which created a fixed amount of coins for the entire world's population. In other words, a specific number of Pi is pre-minted for each member of the Pi network. Afterward, depending on how actively and helpfully that member contributes to network security, this supply is released over the course of their membership. Over the course of the member's lifetime, the supply is released using an exponentially diminishing function similar to that of Bitcoin. Every first day of the month, the Pi base mining rate will fall until it zeroes out. Kindly drop a like if you are enjoying this video and don't forget to drop Pi Network to the moon at the comment section below. So let's continue. Pi Network proposed games in the ongoing hackathon, Top 5 GameFi. On January 9th, Pi Network announced the start of its most recent hackathon. Since then, over 2,000 projects have registered to take part in the event and show off their work to the broad community. Project teams and programmers who want to create their decentralized applications, dApps, on the Pi network are participating in the hackathon. The 3 themes are social media, games and entertainment, and consumer utilities. The event has so far generated a large number of creative initiatives that span all 3 themes. Today, we'll examine 5 of the top dApps that have garnered attention in the gaming category. First, Math Madness. Geek people play Math Madness. In an engaging online arithmetic challenge, users can put their math skills to the test by playing against random opponents. In the quick-witted academic game, players will demonstrate their speed and knowledge. Second, Playroom. Playroom provides authentic gaming tools using the native Pi token. Pioneers may use Pi to use Playroom to buy Xbox, PC, and PlayStation gaming discs and configurations. Gamers can also sell consoles, game cheats, and other items on Playroom. Third, Happy Pi Farm. A simulation business game called Happy Pi Farm was created on a decentralized network. On a farm, the game is based. Players take on the role of farm operators, managing every aspect of running a farm, including purchasing seeds, farming, watering, fertilizing, weeding, and harvesting and selling fruit. The game's earned gold coins are the asset tokens on the Pi chain that can be exchanged for actual Pi coins. Fourth, Pi Gaming Center. Everyone has the opportunity to earn Pi coins here. The platform's ecosystem consists of board games like chess, checkers, and dominoes, video game leagues and tournaments, and poker tables and games. A full-fledged casino featuring sports betting, table games, and slots will be added later by the team. And lastly, Pi Snake. On Pi's isolated mainnet, a blockchain entertainment game called Pi Snake lets players command their tiny snakes to devour or kill other players in order to grow longer. Users can earn rewards by playing the game in one of its various modes. That's all about Pi Network Hackathon for today. Let's go over to KYC new update. KYC remains the major hurdle to mainnet launch. Pi Network provided an update on the project's KYC development and described what pioneers should expect moving forward. The Pi Network blog from December 6 described the enhancements made to the KYC process, the following steps, and the overall priorities. This was the team's first significant update since July 2022. The Pi Network staff is able to quickly KYC millions of pioneers thanks to better automation. The Pi team's primary goal is to assist users who are currently going through the KYC process in finishing it. The KYC advancement entails enhancing and broadening the procedure while simplifying the KYC process for users. Additionally, the team is attempting to unblock the growing number of stalled applications. The KYC work is not only about scaling and allowing people to pass, but also to ensure that overall KYC goals are achieved to let real pioneers in different countries and regions pass KYC as accurately and safely as possible while preventing as many fake accounts as possible, the blog post writes. For all pioneers to enter the Pi mainnet, they must first complete the KYC procedure. The Pi Network team identified 3 key areas of focus for the KYC development. Improve the KYC app, improve communication with users going through the KYC process. Increase and accelerate KYC to the growing number of Pi users. The blog listed ecosystem expansion and KYC as 2 major priorities for 2023. The team requested your patience as it worked with its millions of members spread out around the world. Benefits of Pi Network's enclosed mainnet. Pi Network's enclosed mainnet commits to building a viable and sustainable ecosystem. Building a viable and sustainable ecosystem. Pi Network is in its enclosed mainnet as the protocol prepares for the highly anticipated open mainnet launch. While the open mainnet launch will offer numerous possibilities, the enclosed mainnet will benefit the protocol's long-term development and pioneers at large. Pi Network's enclosed mainnet period allows the protocol to focus on 2 key priorities. Firstly, mass verification of pioneers' identity via KYC and the migration of their Pi mining balance to the Pi mainnet. Secondly, the creation of real utilities for the native Pi currency. Focusing on these 2 priorities in the enclosed mainnet ensures that the protocol builds a viable and sustainable ecosystem for its large user base. A scalable KYC solution is necessary for security, and creating real Pi cryptocurrency utilities will enhance the ecosystem's infrastructure. When both priorities are completed during the enclosed mainnet, users will enjoy a more secure, utility-building ecosystem. Furthermore, Pi Network will proceed to the next development step, launching the open mainnet. Pi Network is a novel cryptocurrency and developer platform that allows mobile users to mine Pi coins without draining the device's battery. Pi's blockchain secures economic transactions via a mobile meritocracy system and a full Web 3.0 experience where community developers can build decentralized applications, dApps, for millions of users. We've come to the end of the video. Thanks for watching and see you in my next video.